Good morning for myself and Alfie. He was crying, he wants to get out of the car. We're about to set off on a hike. I have just parked up in the Upper Lake car park in Glendalough and we're going to do a 10k. I think it's a Derry Bawn, so we'll see. It's raining and it's cold. But if you've wondered what it's like hiking in Ireland in the winter in the rain, you're about to find out. Hopefully we'll find a nice cozy pub after for a pint of Guinness and a hot bowl of stew. But yeah, Alfie also hasn't been on a hike this, he hasn't even been on a walk this length. So we'll see how it goes. I do have a baby sling, so I might have to use that. But he does like walking, so let's see how it goes. What are you crying about? Oh. Yeah, so out of breath. We are going uphill. How misty it is. And pretty muddy. Wow, what a lovely view. We did get a good few kilometres done before he started crying. Maybe an hour and a half of walking actually. And then I put the sling on, put him in it because it was getting really muddy. Didn't last that very long. And now we're on a trail again, so I thought I'd put him down, walked for a bit, and he just keeps opening my laces. And it's kind of crying. But this is where we are. Just wide open space, but you can't see anything because of the mist, but it is dry now. The rain has stopped. Finally see the lake. We're over 3 hours in. I've picked him up and put him down, picked him up and put him down. He's done so well there. But we're finally on the way back to the car park now. Post-hike meal. Mucky little pub painting. We did very well. 3 hours, 45 minutes. I only carried you for about probably half an hour in total. Now you're going to have a great sleep while we go to the Wicklow Heather. That's alright. No. Oh god, that's delicious. Just stopped into the Glendalough cafe for coffee for the drive home. It's quite cute in here. Perfect, thank you. It's freezing. Yeah. Look how dishevelled I am. We're both exhausted. One of us is clean and warm and dry and has been asleep in the car for 2 hours, and I am still cold and wet and muddy and dying to have a shower and maybe open a bottle of champagne. So thank you very much for watching.